not in the mood because it's really early in the morning. But I'm in the mood today because I'm gonna get my hair done. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna get some blonde up in here because all my blonde is right here. Wait, what? What did I just say? So today, he's sleeping because it's so early, but today I'm gonna get my hair done because this is not cute. The blonde is all the way at the end here and it's all dark here, so we're gonna put some blonde and maybe get a trim. But first, we're gonna get some Starbucks. Yes! So I got the goods, the bagel bites from Starbucks, and also my favorite drink from Starbucks, which is the strawberry acai refresher. We're here at the salon now. So let's go in.
Hours later.
Hey guys! So yes, I am blonde. Here's the update of my hair. I thought I was gonna be there for like 8 hours, but I was only there for 5 hours. So yes, this is my new hair. Do you guys like it? Here's Ezra. We're now here at Pepper Sushi because I'm hungry. We're having sushi.